What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You know who I am, I'm Khalid Osman. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, make sure you guys hit that like button because a lot of new content is gonna happen if you want to know about Somaliland and things. So I think this is the first time ever in Somaliland you're going to have a first person view basically of football. So I'm going to try to put it on my head and on my chest, and I'll show you how people play football here in Somaliland. The quality is different, but anyway, I'll get back to you when I get subbed. I'll talk to you then. See you in a bit. Bye. Allah! Sifan! Goal. Yeah, we got a decent team today. Let's go. Sifan. Wait, Anwar. Watch behind you. Haha. Wala. Come on! Beautiful outside foot right there. Ha. Here, حقن. صح. Ha.
Through Valley. Through by Hamshik. Taken on by Insigne. Brightness of mind. Fleetness of foot.
That's how you score, guys. That's how you score.
And quite splendid.
No, صح. Yeah, go, Osman. Yes. Iron. What's something? Call for the ball, communicate. Yes, what's something? Down the line if you can. Down the line. Nice. Keep fighting. Keep fighting, Osman. Keep fighting, Osman. Yes. Well done, Osman. Well done. Mustafa. حقن. ها. Not too close to me, not too close. Mark someone. Nice. You need to play faster. Doug. See, faster. Again. Nice. Hey! Mustafa! No! I mean, that is a foul. What the? took myself off. Like I said in my other videos, these guys are so skinny, so whenever they make contact with your muscles or any part of your body, it hurts. Like a bee hurts. So I got like a calf, like a dead leg calf, but it's getting better. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get back on. Also, you know, it's fair to like just sub. So I hope you guys like this kind of like, oh by the way, the score is, oh no. Yes, good. Sick defending. By the way, the score is like 1-0 now or 2-0. But like obviously it's like 10-12 or something like that. But we just count it as 2-0 or 2-1 or so it's 2-0. Scored a beautiful goal. I think I got it on camera. So watch the replay. But then also good team. Wallah, we got some good fitness, man. Here they got fitness, I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? East Africans, the Ethiopians and Somalis, they're known for marathon running. Anyway, yeah, let's get back to the game. Hey! Goal kick! Yeah, I've been in there. But tell Khalid to sub someone. This is the guy. Your Baba! Oh shit. Ammo! Gan, صح. No! My God, my, what are you? What the? How can you see from there, bro? Wow. Egg. Rewind. Replay. VRA. VAR. هيدا Yo, that was not a goal. Hopefully I got that recorded. Get on VAR, VAR. What's that? End of the game? What up, guys? So, Allah, what a goal. Anyway, guys, game's over. We won 2-0. It was like they scored, we scored, they scored, we scored. But finally, we did win. Let me go to proper lighting. Yeah, so finally we did win the game. I got a dead leg. Hopefully I'm not in pain tomorrow. But if you guys notice, there's a couple of things they play different here than basically the rest of the world. So basically, some of the things are like the throw-ins, or like when the ball goes out, they can either throw it, throw with one hand, throw with their head, kick it in, shoot. Like they can do whatever just to get it back into the game. So that's one of the annoying things. I've never seen it anywhere else other than Somaliland. And it's a bit annoying because you never know what they're going to do, because obviously there's a difference. If you're marking close up, that's because you think he's going to pass it to someone, but then if he just picks it up and throws it, then you have to be back there. Do you know what I mean? So it messes up your defending, obviously. But other than that, they're really good, fast, stamina. Their skills have got really good, but they got no strength, of course, because they're skinny boys. So no strength at all. So I'll bully some of them, and then like they're like, oh, foul. You know, I play the English with a bit of elbow. Nah, I want to joke it, like shoulder. But it's my... I know, I do need to go. Yo, I might join Wadamaya.
Yeah, I'll be watching it today.
Well, yeah, he's in Sierra Leone. Huh?
He got arrested a lot of times.
Yeah, because he got arrested because of the airport thing. Yeah.
Things like, you know, like here, like somebody will come up to you, yo, you're not supposed to have that kind of haircut. You're gonna have to come with me to the station, shit like that, innit?
Yeah. No, but
I'll be watching today some of those episodes anywhere he got.
Mr. Ghana, baby. Yo, I'm just building my fan base here. Then I'll be joining you. Don't worry, bro. Because like Africa, I've moved to Africa. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. I don't want to take it too long. Make sure you guys like this video and share it with everyone to show the Somaliland football, or the Somali football basically. And yeah, this is one of actually the nicest pitch. One of the nice pitches, all right? It's actually a really big one as well. This is Hodden Hill's pitch. It's like $24, I think, 22, no, 25, 24 dollars basically an hour. So yeah, that's the pricing. Most of the football pitches here are booked, guys, because like people love playing football here. So this is a really nice pitch, big nets as you can see, really nice AstroTurf, good grip, big size. This is like an 8-a-side, 7-a-side pitch. Majority of them are the 5 and 6, but they play like 7 or 8 people on it. Yeah, you got the toilet right there. You see, you got toilet. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Make sure hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, there's lots of videos. I got so much videos to put. I just need an editor, to be honest. If you guys are an editor, you want to help out. Yeah, I'm here. Peace, blessings. Peace.